Hello friends, so today we're going to sing a song by Bob Marley. So this is what Bob Marley looks like. So Bob Marley was an amazing singer-songwriter from Jamaica. And for this song, all we have to do is repeat after me. Say, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing a sweet song, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you, singing, don't worry about a thing, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. See, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing a sweet song, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you, singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh, singing, one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Beautiful singing, friends. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you like that song by Bob Marley. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.